Stop overpaying for hotels just because you didn't know how the system works. Here's how to actually get better hotel deals and understand why these tips work. Tip number 1, if you're traveling over major holidays or peak season, book your hotel 4 to 6 months in advance. Hotels know demand will be high, so prices rise the closer you get. For quieter seasons, booking about 15 days in advance is usually the sweet spot. Prices often drop slightly to fill remaining rooms. Tip number 2, book on weekends and after 6 p.m. local time of the hotel. Hotels often do manual price checks during business hours to make sure every booking site is following their pricing agreements. But on weekends or after 6 p.m., there's no one watching, so booking platforms can quietly lower prices without getting flagged. Tip number 3, loyalty programs and points can be worth it, especially if you're earning them automatically. If you have a Chase Sapphire or American Express Platinum, which are two of the top travel cards out there, you're already collecting points on everyday purchases. Use them. Even if hotel rates are slightly higher when booking with points, it's still worth it. You're not spending real money. Tip number 4, never book blindly on one website. Always compare prices. Just because you see a hotel on Expedia or Priceline doesn't mean it's the cheapest option. Rates vary across platforms, and doing the comparison yourself takes time. That's why I recommend using a free browser extension called Deal Miner. It automatically compares prices across hundreds of trusted websites, including hotel chains like Marriott and IHG, and platforms like Costco Travel, Chase Travel, Orbitz, and more. In most cases, it finds the exact same hotel up to 30% cheaper and does all the searching for you. It's free and honestly a huge time saver. Tip number 5, once you find a hotel you like, check the price again on your mobile phone. Many booking platforms offer mobile exclusive rates just for using your phone. That alone can save you up to 10% without changing a thing. Still think hotel deals are just luck? They're not. You just need to know how to work the system. Try these tips next time you book, and if you have a trick that's worked for you, drop it in the comments. Let's help each other travel smarter.